everyone, welcome to this new video by Chez Mamie, where the French cuisine is made easy. So today we are going to make a stuffing preparation, or farce in French. So what is a farce? A farce is a preparation made of ground meat, so that can be beef or pork, for example, and essentially you spice it a little bit and you add it in some other main dish. You can stuff some veggies with this farce, and that's what I will show you in one of the next Chez Mamie videos with a tomate farci or stuffed tomatoes. So stay tuned. But for now, let's focus on this farce or stuffing. So what do you need to make an easy stuffing or farce in French? So you will need 600 grams of ground meat. So here I took some pork, so 300 grams, and 300 grams of ground beef. You can choose, you can mix, you can take beef only, you can take pork only, that's really up to you. Then you will need two onions, and then 2 cloves or garlic. So here I used some frozen garlic, but that's pretty much the same. And then to give some flavor, you will also need some fresh parsley here and basil. Are you ready? So let's start. So first you chop your onions. Quite easy. You have one here. So once you chopped your onions, you can do the same here with parsley. Voila. Now that you have your basil, parsley, ground meat here with the beef and pork, and also your onions that you put in a saucepan, you can mix everything. So here we have the onions. And then I will add the ground beef here, and then the ground pork, and then we can mix everything. Et voilà, now the farce or stuffing is ready to cook. So please note that you have to cook this before you can eat, of course. So please watch one of my next videos with a tomate farci or stuffed tomatoes on my channel, and that video will be the sequel of this one. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and to like the video. Please tell us how you made your own farce, maybe with some different adjustments, by commenting below. You will find some more recipes by Chez Mamie, where the French cuisine is made easy.